Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to remove default clothes in your Roblox avatar. Right? If you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. So first up, go ahead and open up your favorite browser. Okay. You can do this on your phone if you want to. Alright, so first up, go ahead and go to roblox.com/my/avatar. Like so, and just hit on enter. Wait for the website to load. And once it loads, just make sure to log in with your Roblox credentials, okay? Log in and just wait for it. All right, once it loads, as you can see here, you're being landed to our avatar section. So to remove our clothing, it's pretty easy. Make sure that in the recent tab, you select all, okay? Click on it. Now from here, you can go ahead and deselect all of the clothing that you wanted to remove. All right. For example, this hair, just wait for it to refresh, as you can see. Maybe this clothing, this one as well, like so. Right? Just make sure to deselect. Remove it all if you want to. All right. But as you can see here, there's still colors left. Now the way to fix that is by going to head and body. Right here, just click on it. Now go ahead and click on skin tone. Okay. So just go ahead over to advanced. Select, for example, torso, change the color to white, wait for it, as you can see, and do the same with the rest of the body parts. That's basically how you do it. Okay. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.